welcome back. Today I got a real easy pasta recipe I'm going to do for you guys. Basically penne pasta with a creamy tomato sauce, otherwise known as a rosé sauce, or you can do a vodka sauce, which is basically a little shot of vodka in the pan, burn off the alcohol and add in quality tomato sauce. You can make your own. I'm using a San Marzano jarred tomato sauce. A little touch of cream to give it that pink color. And then first I'm going to render down some hot Italian sausage. I got a couple links right here. Just going to render down some fat and add a little bit of olive oil in there. Make sure the bottom of the pan is coated with the oil. And then we're going to throw some garlic in there. Just use however much you want. And then I got this Pecorino Romano cheese. You could also use Parmesan. I kind of go back and forth between the two cheeses. And then throw whatever herbs you want. If you want basil, I got some Italian parsley also. Or you could add both, but I just don't have any basil with me. That's pretty much it. It's going to be super quick and simple. It's not going to take that long, so stick around and check it out. Alright, I forgot to mention we're going to add some peas in there at the very end. Some frozen peas just to give it a little bit of crunch and a little bit of color to the dish. But that's it. Alright, so we got some real quick prep we're going to do. I got some garlic, a little bit of Italian parsley, and that sausage I'm going to take out of the casing and give a rough chop to it. Then we're going to finally mince up a little bit of garlic and that Italian parsley. Going to salt the water and get that boiling. And basically all you're going to do is brown the sausage and render out the fat. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Then you're going to season it with salt and pepper. Put a little bit of red pepper, chili flakes in there. And then add the garlic towards the end so you don't burn it. And then when you put the tomato sauce in, put about a cup of sauce, about a quarter cup of the cream. Mix it all together and that's pretty much it. I'll list all the ingredients down below so it's easy for you guys to check it out. Also, cook your pasta till al dente, so whatever the recommended time is, take a couple minutes off that, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, there it is. Super easy to do. Probably took me like a half hour altogether. It was a little bit spicy, not too much. I always like that little funk from the pecorino cheese and the creamy tomato sauce. And I don't like putting a lot of sauce and stuff. Some people like to overdo it with sauce, so if you like more sauce, just put more. But the pasta absorbed a lot of that. And make sure you put some pasta water in the pasta when you're making it. Just a little bit every time, because the starch kind of helps everything kind of stick together. And the peas add a little bit of freshness. I didn't put that much in there, just a little bit, just for a little bit of color. So try this out, tell me what you think. Do some different variations on this. There's a bunch of different ways you can make all kinds of different pastas, so. And I think I mentioned in a video a while back that I work at an Italian restaurant on the Strip here in Las Vegas. And we're always kind of making stuff a little bit like this. I'm not an actual cook, I work as a food server, but I watch them make pasta and different food all day long, so I kind of just take note and kind of try to just copy what they're doing. So if this looks good to you, just copy what I'm doing, see how it turns out. Let me know in the comments. Tell me what you would do different. As always, peace out, guys.